Hi friends, I'm Zanyar Ghaneei from Idea Institute. I want to teach you modeling sine shear wall in ABAQUS, so stay with us to learn everything about this modeling. Subscribe us and like our videos. First, you must create the frame by IPE or IPB profiles. Return to the module of the part. Choose the Create part. You must write a name for your part in this new window. Our part is deformable, but our shear walls have a shell shape. You choose extrusion, and if you hit the continue button, this page would be shown. You can start to draw sine walls. You must use the Create Line section to draw the initial shape of the shear wall. You must write X direction, comma, and Y direction. For example, our first point is 0 and 0. The next point is 0.02 and 0.04. You should repeat this action for the next points in the positive and negative regions. You can draw the shapes in AutoCAD and bring the coordinates to ABAQUS. It's easier than you do it directly. Now you can copy this prepared line to the top of shape to being faster. Repeat this action until the height of the shear wall would be completed. Now we can use the fillet command and then write the arc radius and select the lines in order. When we complete our work, we press enter and write the length of the shear wall, which is 5 meters. Thanks a lot for watching us.